So today I'm going to be with my rear blinker bulb, the top one, right there. So here I'm just going to turn on the hazards and show you how I found out that my rear bulb was out. So one day I was turning the left turn signal and all of a sudden it started blinking faster. So I went back and I noticed, oh, the rear top bulb was out. See, it's not blinking. So today, this is what we're going to replace, because it is annoying when you take a left turn with the blinker on. It blinks really fast and it makes the annoying sound even more annoying. So the first step is to open up the tailgate. So you can see here there's two bolts, and then after you take them out you just pull out the housing and we should be able to reach the bulb. So I picked up these Sylvania bulbs, part number 4057. I think they're like $7 at AutoZone. Alright, so I'm just checking what size it is. So 5/16 was the right size, so we'll just zip them off. Fairly easy. So now, never done this before, but I believe you just pull it out. So here you can watch me struggle a little bit. But in the end, I mean, you can just give it a good tug and it'll pull right out. Seems like there's just like some press fittings where it just presses right in. Yeah, you don't want to pull it 90 degrees out. You just want to pull back. Straight back, see? Now I'm starting to get it. Yeah, there we go. So you can see there's 3 harnesses, 1 for each bulb. Obviously the one with the issue is the top one, but I'm going to pull out all the harnesses to have easier access to get at the bulb. The middle harness right there is the hardest one to get out just because it's tough to get your finger in there to press out the connector. Alright, so now that I got it out, I can move over and taking out the bulb. As you can see, to the right is the top bulb that I want to replace. All you do is just turn it to the left and the bulb comes right out. So you can see this one has been charred up a little bit. I don't know why, but you can see from the bulb, you see the filament. I don't know if you see the bottom one, but there is a gap right there. So that's the turn signal that's blown. Obviously if it's open, it's not going to pass any current and not create light. So actually another way, if you can't see, you can use an ohm meter to ohm out each pin. Typically you have a ground and then 2 what we call hot lines that go to each filament. So what I'm going to do is I grab my ohm meter and I'm going to set it to just like 2000 there. It's basically just giving me readings in thousands of ohms. So 1 is open, obviously, because the red and black leads aren't touching anything, so it's open. So that's what we'll see most likely on the path where the filament is broken. So there's 3 pins, most likely ground, and then, like I said, 2 hots, 1 for each filament. So I'm just going to take the leads and probe a set of pins. It's kind of tough. I probably should have taken out the bulb and done it, but it's okay. So the two outsides still reads an open. So that's probably the bottom filament. And now I probe the middle and the end. That's shorted. So looking back now, it's probably the center's ground and the outsides are hot, but you get the idea. So I think I knew even before that, without having to do the resistance, that the bulb needed to be replaced. So all you have to do is just yank it out. There's just two clips on either side that hold it in. So I'm just going to yank it. As I hit the camera. So like I said, it's probably easier if you want to probe just the bottom of the light bulb to get a more accurate reading. So I'm just going to take one bulb, and you can see it looks the same as the other bulb, both made by Sylvania, so I guess that's good. But they look very similar. So I'm just going to press the new one in. I don't think there's a specific direction, so I'm just going to do everything in the reverse order. So you put it in like so. What you want to do is match up the large tab inlet to the large tab on the socket, and then put it in and then twist to the left to lock it in. Now you can plug in all the harnesses again. Just making sure you plug in the right harness to the right bulb. So once you have it all plugged in, you can then just gently put the light back into place. I wouldn't push it in all the way just in case you didn't plug in something right or it's still not working. You may need to debug it more, so without having to re-yank it out, just place it there. So now I'm just going to turn on the hazards again. So as you can see, now the top and bottom is blinking, so that's good. Now I solved the light issue and also the fast blinking. Hope this helps. It's a quick and easy thing to do, which is nice. So now that I verified that it works, all I have to do is press the light housing in so it's lined up correctly to the holes in the housing, so that when I put the bolts back into the housing, it lines up and everything looks good again. So you can see now the holes line up well, so it's a matter of bolting in the screws. Alright, there you go. Job well done. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.